Annabelle, are you dancing? You dancing? Yeah. Oh, the old sideways glance, huh? Annabelle, you gonna dance? The music is picking up. You better dance. It's an old Irish ballad. Better dance. You clicking your feet? What's that? Huh? What do you do that for? Your mommy's pretty awesome. You know, I'm playing you music, feeding you dinner, cooking me and Daddy dinner, using bad grammar. What else could I do? Teaching you how to dance. Just like a swan.